Hey everyone, welcome back to Kingna, where we hunt down the best project cars for all you classic car enthusiasts. Today's list is packed with 10 awesome project cars priced between $1,000 and $3,000, perfect for anyone looking to roll up their sleeves and bring these classics back to life. Let's dive in and see what's up for grabs today. Car 1, 1964 Pontiac Tempest and Friends. Starting off, we've got 5 different Pontiacs located in Sheboygan, Michigan. These are serious project cars, from a 1964 Pontiac Tempest with no interior or driveline to a 1963 Pontiac Tempest wagon that's rough but would make an amazing gasser. Each of these Pontiacs will need plenty of work, but the potential is all there. Prices range from $1,200 to $2,500 OBO, perfect for the Pontiac lover ready to take on a challenge. Car 2, 1963 Mercury Comet. Next up is a 1963 Mercury Comet in Society Hill, South Carolina. This one's a 2-door hardtop project, and it even comes with a 4-door parts car. It's running, but definitely not road ready, so don't expect to drive it home. This one's definitely a project car and will need to be towed. The seller is asking $2,000 a rose, and it's waiting for someone to turn it into a cool rat rod. 1950 Ford Custom. In Fairfield, Ohio, we've got a 1950 Ford Custom that's mostly original but needs some attention. It runs and drives, but with issues like a faulty master cylinder and no title, it's a project all the way. At $2,400, it's a great start for someone looking to restore a classic Ford. Car 4, 1956 Jeep Willys. This 1956 Jeep Willys in Carlisle, Pennsylvania is for the off-road lovers who want a project with history. While it's not currently running, the engine turns over and it needs new floor pans and a gas tank. This is an ambitious project, but definitely worth the effort for Jeep fans. It's priced at $1,750 and just waiting to be revived. Car 5, 1974 Pontiac Grand AM Coupe. Over in Indianapolis, Indiana, we've got a 1974 Pontiac Grand AM Coupe. It's got a 400 engine and runs, but this is still very much a project car. It needs bodywork, some interior attention, and some mechanical fixes. Priced at $2,900, it's a rare find that could become something truly special with a little love. Car 6, 1978 Camaro project car. This 1978 Camaro in Johnston City, Illinois is a serious project in need of a lot of work. The engine and transmission will need rebuilding, and while it comes with a lot of great parts, this Camaro is far from running. At $1,700, this is the perfect blank canvas for someone ready to dive into a classic muscle car restoration. A 1951 Plymouth Cranbrook 2-door coupe, $2,500. Here's a 1951 Plymouth Cranbrook coupe located in Jackson, Michigan. This one runs, but with bad brakes and a lot of restoration needed, it's going to be a serious project. At $2,500, it's a rare car with tons of potential, whether you're thinking rat rod or full restoration. Car 8, 1954 Oldsmobile 88. In Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, we have a 1954 Oldsmobile 88 for $1,400. This one is not running, but it's complete, comes with a title, and would make a great project car for someone who's ready to put in the work. If you're looking for an affordable classic, this Olds could be your next restoration adventure. Car 9, 1980 Carlo. Next is a 1985 Monte Carlo in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, priced at $3,000. The engine needs finishing touches, and it has some rust issues, but the frame is solid. If you're up for a light project that's almost there, this Monte Carlo might be a great fit. Car 10, 1984 LeBaron Convertible. Lastly, for just $1,000, we've got a 1984 Chrysler LeBaron Convertible, potable in Grove City, Ohio. This car has been sitting since 1993, doesn't run, drive, or stop, and will need a lot of attention. It's a true project, but with a little patience, this vintage convertible could be back on the road and looking sharp. That's our list of 10 project cars you can find right now on Facebook Marketplace. These classics may need some work, but with a little effort, any one of them could become a real gem. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and tackle a restoration, these are the cars for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome classic car finds. See you in the next one.